Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Trust Wallet account. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Trust Wallet. It's crucial to verify that the developer is indeed Trust Wallet to avoid fake applications. Once downloaded, open the app and select the option to create a new wallet to kick off the setup process. Next, you'll encounter your 12-word recovery phrase, which is the master key to your funds. This phrase is incredibly important, as it's the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access to your device. Carefully write down these 12 words in their exact order on a physical piece of paper. Store this paper in a very safe, private location. Remember, never, ever share this recovery phrase with anyone, not even Trust Wallet support, to maintain your security. After securely noting your recovery phrase, the application will ask you to re-enter the 12 words in the correct sequence to confirm you've recorded them accurately. This step ensures you can recover your wallet if needed. Once confirmed, you'll set up a strong passcode or enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quick and secure daily access to your wallet. Congratulations! Your new cryptocurrency wallet is now successfully created and ready for you to use. With your wallet set up, you can now receive cryptocurrencies by sharing your unique wallet address for specific assets. You can also explore the built-in decentralized exchange to swap between various cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Always remember to double-check the recipient's wallet address before sending any funds to prevent irreversible losses. For enhanced security, consider enabling transaction signing and regularly backing up your recovery phrase in multiple secure, offline locations. Stay safe and enjoy your new digital asset management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.